Kalumpung Basaw jong Stad hagarap ka Riang 4th Biotic Science Congress arhajar arpusaw kala Sdang haka arpuway tarik Naiwieng ha Central College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai haka balawan bynta da ki Stad scientist hagarap ka Riang na ki babun ki Agricultural University jong kari India bat na Bangladesh bat ki Samla pule ki pyntbit ha ki phang jingstad babun jait ki iadei berkarap ka Riang. Hakani ka Lympung ba sngi arpuway bat arpu tarik Naiwieng ki Stad karap ka Riang ki iatai bat iamir jingmut halor ki jingkylla jong ka mariang kabala wanrah ya ka jingkylla haka rukom wan uslam ka Riang ka jingshit jingkriat ka sun beneng ki balakta ya karap ka Riang haka pertheihi barok away. Na ka jingkylla jong ki bor mariang ka wanrah ya ka jingduna ki ki batut syaki hali bat ki penthor kani ka kata kala ya ki nong rep ki bajaw sep bantung bantep bat ban pendap bam amtang yela ka yeng kasam hendra ki pai ba jong ka ribaro ka we hagani ka Lympung lawan shimbenta arspa ahnya pusan ngut ki bakun thop ki scientist bat ki Samla puli na laipo tuli ki Shillong jingstad ka kong balakan tiorani additional deputy commissioner ribhoi district haka jingkran jongka haka Lympung Sdang kalapan pau ya ka jingdon kam bakerki ban kentiu ya ki nong rep jong ka ni ka jela bat ka than hi baro ka we khnang ban penmi ya ka bam ka sa ka pahu na ka benta ki pai ba kala kentu bat banjur yaki Samla puli hakane ka phang jingstad ka rap ka Riang ban snokti bat kinong rap ban wanrah ya ka rukom rap bat thamai jong kani ka juk.
Approaches have been developing from the very beginning. It's not that today we are starting smart agriculture. Smart agriculture, as and when it is growing, today it's a era when we have gone to Mars and all those things have come. But when we started our education, there was nothing. So smart way means you are using the same technology techniques which are already developed in a way that you can interpolate all these points and ultimately get to make a climate resilient. We say climate resilient, we say pest resilient. So this is a resilient approach which will be helping us to go in the millennium. And because of pandemic, after the pandemic or during the pandemic, it was found that all other sectors, it slumped in growth. But the agriculture sector, this is the only sector which was called by Prime Minister as a champion sector, and it was given that status that at that time it was realized that agriculture, though we are the number of people and this kind of activities associated with agriculture is reducing, but that's not a sign of decline. In fact, it's a sign of getting prosperity because other sectors are also coming up now. Industries, we are not there, but now industry sectors are also taking over. But agriculture, the humongous possibility which was there, which was untapped, which was so now with the available technologies, we want to unshield, or we also want to untap those kind of potential which are existing, and which were not realized to its fullest extent. So,
just you connect, just you think. This is my question. Just you see the climatic situation of this region. Maximum temperature within 30 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 7, 8, like that. Prolonged winter, you have got rainfall above 2000 millimeter. The very good climatic situation in this region, just you use this, my dear students. You think some innovative thinking to use this, you use your area, your climate, your cropping sequence, everything. Leave the traditional system of publication, irrigation requirement, fertilizer requirement. This is obsolete. Just to come in the present situation based on climatic situation. Just you see within 22 tomorrow and day after tomorrow, another cyclone has come, as per IMD report. This is try to develop within the Bay of Bengal. So number of tropical cyclone increased day by day. Number of lighting increased day by day. The onset and withdrawal of southwest monsoon unpredictable. क्या करेगा? छोड़ दो, गढ़ के ऊपर गढ़ सब देखेगा ना, हम लोग इधर क्या करेगा? 140 करोड़ इंडिया ने. This is our responsibility, my dear student, to guide our farmers, to think about the situation. Climate change is a natural, slow process, very slow process. I think you know about the plate tectonic theory and some oceanic situation, everything. Initially we have some supercontinent. This continent breaks in different parts. And we have got some hills, sea, ocean, like that. But it will take more than 50,000 years, 100,000 years, like that. But recently we are very much aware about the climate change, which is not change, variation. Just you see for the last 5 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years in this region, what type of variation you are facing. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature and other parameters of atmosphere.